Chemistry, Questions 57-84. Physical Chemistry. 57. The C unit of amount of substance is A. Gram, B. Mole, C. Kilogram, D. Equivalent. 58. 1 mole of any substance contains A. 3.001 particles, B. 6.022 particles, C. 9.11 particles, D. 1.666 particles. 59. The oxidation number of sulfur in HSO is A plus 4, B plus 6, C plus 2, D 2. 60. Which law states that the total pressure of a mixture of non-reacting gases equals the sum of their partial pressures? A. Boyle's law, B. Charles' law, C. Dalton's law, D. Graham's law. Except the pH of a neutral solution at 25 degrees Celsius is A 0, B 7, C 10, D 14. 62. Which electrolyte shows maximum electrical conductivity? A. CHCOH, B. HCl, C. NHOH, D. HCO. 63. The rate of a chemical reaction generally increases with A. Decrease in temperature, B. Increase in temperature, C. Decrease in concentration, D. Increase in pressure only. Inorganic chemistry. 64. The atomic number of carbon is A 4, B 6, C 8, D 12. 65. Which element has the highest electronegativity? A. Oxygen, B. Chlorine, C. Fluorine, D. Nitrogen. 66. Which of the following is an alkali metal? A. Calcium, B. Sodium, C. Magnesium, D. Aluminium. 67. The oxidation state of chromium in KCrO is A plus 2, B plus 3, C plus 6, D plus 7. 68. Of which gas is known as laughing gas? A. No, B. NO, C. NO, D. NH. 69. Aluminium is extracted by A. Blast furnace, B. Electrolytic reduction, C. Zone refining, D. Froth flotation. 70. Which ore is the chief source of aluminium? A. Hematite, B. Magnetite, C. Bauxite, D. Galena. Organic chemistry. 71. The opaque name of CHCOH is A. Methanoic acid, B. Ethanoic acid, C. Propanoic acid, D. Butanoic acid. 72. Benzene belongs to which class of compounds? A. Aliphatic, B. Aromatic, C. Alicyclic, D. Saturated. 73. Which hydrocarbon is the simplest alkane? A. Ethane, B. Methane, C. Propane, D. Butane. 74. Which functional group is present in alcohols? A. CHO, B. CU, C. OH, D. NH. 75. Which compound is a reducing sugar? A. Sucrose, B. Glucose, C. Cellulose, D. Starch. 76. Which of the following undergoes addition reactions? A. Ethane, B. Methane, C. Ethene, D. Benzene. 77. Which gas is evolved when sodium reacts with water? A. Oxygen. B. Hydrogen. C. Nitrogen. D. Chlorine. Environmental chemistry. 78. Acid rain is mainly caused by A. CO and CH. B. SO and NO. CO and N. D. NH and H. 79. The gas responsible for ozone depletion is A. CO. B. CH. C. CFCS. D. H. 80. Greenhouse effect is mainly caused by A. Nitrogen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Helium. D. Hydrogen. Mixed chemistry. 81. Which of the following is a strong acid? A. Acetic acid. B. Carbonic acid. C. Hydrochloric acid. D. Formic acid. 82. Which metal reacts vigorously with cold water? A. Copper. B. Iron. C. Sodium. D. Silver. 83. Avogadro's law states that equal volumes of gases at the same temperature and pressure contain A. Equal masses. B. Equal numbers of molecules. C. Equal densities. D. Equal atomic masses. 84. The C unit of molar conductivity is A. S square meter mol. B. M. C. SCM. D. Cm.